Hello everyone, I'm Thần. In this video, I'm going to talking about hair dryer. Hair dryer or blow dryer is an electrical device which can be enjoyed by everyone who interested in their appearance. Hair dryer is a hair tool very important for all hairstylists. It is a key component of hair care and hairstyling. Today, in daily life, you can buy hair dryer in all household electrical appliance store with good price. Why don't you try to own one to become your hairstylist or just try your hair after taking a shower? This is a hair dryer I borrowed. Nowadays, you can see install many hair dryer with different design, different trademarks, but I think they all have one mechanism. Hair dryer have a heating element in here, right here, I think right here, and a DC motor fans in there. A heating element and the motor fans. And turn on the switch, you see it work. But how it works? The electric first come to heating element, transform the energy to heat, make it hot. In other side, the heating element have a function like a resistor, drop down the voltage to equal the voltage of the DC motor fan. But the power from this outlet is AC power. You need something to transform DC power, and all hair dryer have some diode. Diode can change AC power to DC power and make it work. You see, switch, turn on the switch, it works. Without trying hair dryer have some extra functions, like you can try everything you want, cleaning the keyboard, widening the side of shoes, and many more. Somebody thinks, listen the hair dryer noise, make them easy for sleeping. I don't know why they can sleep with the sounds. That is a terrible sound. And to include, I think hair dryer is an interesting and useful device. If you have a difficulty for sleeping, why don't try listen the sound and give me the result. I know this video have lots of mistakes. I will improve it in next one. Thanks for watching.